Sybil Wilkes with what you need to know. Today, it's Monday, September 25th, 2023. Number 1, there are now less than 7 days remaining during which the U.S. House, specifically House Republicans, must reach an agreement to keep the federal government running. The deadline is Saturday night, September 30th. With just a few days available to craft a bill to pass out of the House, Speaker McCarthy chose to send his Republican members home for the weekend. They're scheduled to return to the Capitol Tuesday, where McCarthy said he hopes to pass a series of long-term spending bills. Number 2, ethical questions continue to swirl around the United States Supreme Court and one justice in particular. A new ProPublica report indicates Justice Clarence Thomas secretly participated in Koch network donor events. Former Koch employees and a major donor told ProPublica that providing access to a Supreme Court justice was seen as a valuable fundraising tool. Number 3, nearly half of all Americans are infected with the cancer-causing human papillomavirus. According to a new study, unlike women who are infected in similar numbers, men are more likely to stay infected throughout their lives. Among women, the prevalence of HPV infection drops to about 22% as they age, but it remains high among men. Number 4. In 2019, Cheryl Lynn Pitletsky, a 64-year-old white woman in Chancellor, Alabama, hung racially offensive homemade dolls on her neighbor's fence to intimidate and force them to move out of the neighborhood. On September 6th, she was sentenced to 1 year in jail for violating her black neighbor's civil rights. According to prosecutors, Pitletsky admitted to targeting her neighbors due to their race and pleaded guilty to a criminal violation of the Fair Housing Act. Number 5, the Bible says that God is always with you. Now, you may need a little more proof that God is sitting next to you and just waiting to help you and bless you. God responds to his children when we call out his name. It's not about what you feel, it's about your faith. Read more about God's presence in today's Ministry Monday column. Here's your daily inspiration from Yogi's Jewels. Life will bring some troubling times, so we should have fun as often as possible. Join me today live on YouTube and Facebook at 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central with social justice contributor Coy Malone and comedian Chris Paul as we discuss today's top headlines and more. Thank you to our What You Need to Know partners, the American Heart Association and Black Health Matters. Barbara Scotia College, an HBCU in Concord, North Carolina, needs our help. The What You Need to Know team is asking supporters, alumni, and friends of Barbara Scotia to help them meet their immediate and pressing needs by donating to help Barbara Scotia rise. Please join the thousands of donors from around the world who are stepping up to save one of the nation's oldest HBCUs. Visit SybilWilkes.com for more information. If you are living with pain and discomfort in your feet, legs, thighs, or buttocks, that may be a sign of a serious health problem. Peripheral artery disease, also known as PAD, is a disease of the blood vessels outside the heart. It causes reduced blood flow to the area of the body with the diseased vessels. Diabetes, smoking, and high blood pressure are strong risk factors. Each year, approximately 150,000 leg amputations are performed in the United States, and most cases occur in people with diabetes and PAD. Talk to your doctor about how to manage your PAD, reduce your risk for heart disease and stroke, and prevent the loss of a limb. Learn more at heart.org/PAD. Celebrate Black filmmakers rooted in HBCU culture at HBCU First Look. Takes place November 10th through the 12th at Howard University. Visit hbcufirstlook.com for more information. I'm Sybil Wilkes. Be informed, be empowered.